Here's your business brief for this Wednesday. First, New York State Attorney General Letitia James is suing Amazon. This for what the state is calling a flagrant disregard for the steps needed to protect workers from the COVID-19 pandemic. The complaint specifically targets two fulfillment centers, one in Staten Island and the other in Queens. This following allegations that the tech giant illegally retaliated against employees who raised safety concerns amid the pandemic. January retail sales numbers jumping high, beating expectations. Here are the numbers. Retail sales grew 5.3% for the month. Now, that's well ahead of the 1.2% forecasted by Dow Jones. Some of the biggest jumps include sales for electronics as well as appliances, that up almost 15% for the month. Food and drink also saw an increase. That's up 7%. Weekly mortgage applications not coming in quite as hot. This, according to the Mortgage Bankers Association. Total mortgage application volume fell more than 5% last week. Applications to refinance a home loan also fell, that by 5% as well. On the other hand, the average contract interest rate for a 30-year fixed mortgage increased to 2.98%. That's slightly up from 2.96% last week. Despite the semiconductor shortage, manufacturing output is up. American manufacturing production increased 1% last month, that following a 0.9% gain in December. This according to the Fed. The jump is slightly higher than expectations. Economists expected a 0.7% increase in January. The auto sector really is the sore spot here. The Fed report showed motor vehicles and parts output actually declined 0.7% for the month. Production at auto plants has been hampered by the semiconductor chip shortage. It's temporarily shuttered plants for some of the nation's biggest automakers. Nestle has decided to sell its North American water brands. This includes brands like Poland Spring, Pure Life, Deer Park, and Ozarka, among others. The food and beverage giant will sell these companies to the private equity firm One Rock Capital Partners for $4.3 billion. Nestle says the move will help them focus on their more premium brands like Perrier and Pellegrino. Another 20 companies have signed Amazon's climate pledge, IBM being the latest. They intend to hit net zero greenhouse gas emissions by 2030. They hope to reach 65% by 2025. Part of the move is to ramp up their usage of renewable energy, saying they intend to use 90% renewable energy by 2030. Other notable signatories include Johnson Controls and Iceland Foods. That's your business brief for this Wednesday. I'm Hirschfeld in New York.